Have you ever bought something only to regret it a few days later? A new phone, an expensive watch, another online order. At that moment, it felt like the right decision. But later, you wondered, why did I even buy this? The truth is, most people don't spend because they need something. They spend because of emotions. Today, you'll discover the psychology behind spending and how understanding it can help you make smarter financial decisions. Introduction. Money doesn't disappear by accident. It disappears through hundreds of small emotional decisions. Companies spend billions every year studying human behavior. They know what catches your attention, what creates urgency, what makes you click, buy now. The battle isn't only in your wallet, it's inside your mind. Once you understand how spending psychology works, you stop becoming an easy customer, and you start becoming a smarter decision maker. Reason number 1: emotional spending. Think about the last time you were stressed, or bored, or celebrating something. Did you buy food, clothes, gadgets? That's emotional spending. Many people don't shop because they need something. They shop because buying feels good for a moment. The excitement lasts a few hours, but the bill lasts much longer. Money can't solve emotional problems. Only better habits can. Reason number 2: the need to impress. One of the biggest spending traps is trying to impress other people. Expensive brands, luxury items, things we hope will make us look successful. But here's the truth: people who are genuinely successful usually spend less time trying to look rich. They spend more time building wealth. Before buying anything, ask yourself one question: am I buying this for my life? Or for someone else's opinion? That single question can save you thousands over time. Reason number 3: the dopamine trap. Have you noticed something? The excitement of buying something often feels better than actually owning it. Why? Because your brain releases a chemical called dopamine when you anticipate a reward. That's why adding an item to your cart, waiting for the delivery, and opening the package feels exciting. But after a few days, that excitement fades. Then your brain starts searching for the next purchase. This cycle keeps repeating. The problem isn't shopping. The problem is depending on shopping to feel happy. Reason number 4: fear of missing out. FOMO. Only 2 items left. Sale ends tonight. Limited time offer. You've seen these messages before. They create urgency. They make you feel like you'll lose something if you don't buy immediately. This is called the fear of missing out. But ask yourself, if you never planned to buy it before seeing the offer, did you really need it? A discount doesn't save money if the purchase wasn't necessary in the first place. Reason number 5: buying for instant gratification. We live in a world where almost everything is instant. Food arrives in minutes, shopping takes seconds, entertainment is available all day. Because of this, many people choose short-term pleasure over long-term goals. They spend today and worry tomorrow. Wealthy people think differently. They often delay small pleasures today to enjoy greater freedom in the future. Pause before you purchase. Here's a simple habit: before buying anything that's not essential, wait 24 hours. Ask yourself, do I truly need this? Will I still want it tomorrow? That short pause can help separate emotion from logic. And some of the smartest financial decisions you'll ever make will be the purchases you choose not to make. Reason number 6: lifestyle inflation. Imagine getting a salary increase. What do most people do? They buy a bigger phone, a better bike, more expensive clothes, a fancier lifestyle. This is called lifestyle inflation. As income grows, expenses grow too. The result? They earn more than ever, but still struggle to save. Wealth isn't created by increasing your lifestyle every time your income increases. It's created by increasing your savings and investments first. The silent trap. Lifestyle inflation happens slowly. You barely notice it. One extra subscription, a more expensive restaurant, a daily coffee habit. None of these seem like a big deal alone, but together, they quietly reduce your ability to build wealth. Instead of asking, what can I buy with this raise? Ask, how much of this raise can I save or invest? That one question can change your financial future. Reason number 7: comparing yourself to others. Social media has made comparison easier than ever. You see vacations, new cars, luxury homes, designer clothes, but you rarely see the loans, the credit card bills, or the financial stress behind the pictures. Comparison often leads to unnecessary spending. Remember, you're comparing someone's highlight reel to your real life. Run your own race, build your own future. Focus on your own journey. The goal isn't to look wealthy. The goal is to become financially secure. Someone else's success doesn't reduce your chances of succeeding. Instead of asking, why don't I have what they have? Ask, what habit can I improve today? Real wealth grows quietly. It doesn't need constant attention from others. Focus on your own progress. One smart financial decision at a time. The power of delayed gratification. One of the biggest differences between wealthy people and everyone else is their ability to wait. They understand that saying, no, today, can create a much bigger, yes, tomorrow. Instead of buying every new gadget, they invest in their future. Instead of chasing temporary happiness, they build lasting financial security. Delayed gratification isn't about denying yourself forever. It's about choosing what's more important over what's more exciting. Build better spending habits. Every purchase tells a story. It tells your future where your priorities are. Before buying anything, ask yourself these 3 questions. Do I really need this? Will this improve my life 6 months from now? Or am I simply buying because of emotion? Those 3 questions can protect your wallet better than any discount ever will. Small pauses lead to smarter decisions. Remember these 7 spending traps. Let's quickly remember what we've learned today. Emotional spending, spending to impress others. The dopamine trap, fear of missing out. Instant gratification, lifestyle inflation, comparing yourself to others. The goal isn't to stop enjoying life. The goal is to spend intentionally. Because every rupee you save today can become an opportunity tomorrow. Imagine your life 1 year from now. Less stress, more savings, more confidence, not because you earned twice as much, but because you made wiser decisions. Remember, wealth doesn't begin in your bank account. It begins in your mind. Control your emotions, control your spending, and you'll have a better chance of controlling your financial future. If this video helped you, subscribe to 1% Better. Because becoming wealthy isn't about one big decision. It's about making better decisions every single day.